Are you living with breathing difficulties every single day? Has inhaler become a mandatory part of your day? So, asthma does not just affect the lungs, it can affect your confidence, it can affect your sleep, it can affect your energy, it can affect your daily activities and emotional well being. Breathing is not just supplying oxygen, it is shaping your emotions, your energy, your thoughts, even the quality of your life. So, today we are going to understand a beautiful combination of mudras and gestures which is going to help in any kind of breathing problem, asthma, even if there is no asthmatic symptoms in breathing problems, also it's going to help. Sinuses, cough, congestion, all kind of congestion, breathing difficulties. This combination is amazing. We'll explore what it is, how to practice it, and how to get help with this. Asthma or a breathing difficulty is a condition wherein people may experience wheezing, shortness of breath, chest tightness, persistent coughing, and the severity varies from person to person. This can affect not only the lungs but also the body, the mind, the emotions. So, when there are long term respiratory challenges, people may also experience the feelings of fear, loneliness, sadness, mental fatigue, emotional insecurity. So, if you are going through any of these, even if you don't have any breathing difficulty, so this combination is going to help you a lot. Breathing and emotional well being are deeply connected. So, just see this combination. This is a combination of 4 mudras which you can make. If someone is suffering from the problem of asthma, any breathing problem, any breathing difficulty, any congestion, sinus, navel cavity, so all the problems related to that area and breathing, and especially the asthma, the combination of these 4 mudras can create magic. So this is called Apan Mudra, wherein you have to join the tip of the thumb to the tip of the ring finger and the middle finger of both the hands. All the mudras have to be done with both the hands. This is called Apan Mudra. Then we have to do the bronchial mudra, which is done like this, wherein we keep the small finger to the base of the thumb, and then ring finger to the middle of the thumb, and then middle finger to the top of the thumb, and similarly with both the hands. So you can take help of each and that way, and you have to keep that way. Is that clear? So this is the bronchial mudra. I can show you from both the sides like this. And then we have asthma mudra. You need to fold the middle finger of both the hands, and you have to touch the nails like this and rest 3 fingers and hands straight. This is asthma mudra, and in the end you have to do the prana mudra. This combination of 4 mudras, 5 minutes twice a day, can create magic in your life and can even help you get rid of inhaler, asthma, breathing trouble, sinuses, and all the problems related to nasal cavity. But follow the doctor's advice also. You don't have to leave the medicine with this. Gradually the doctors will automatically reduce your medicine. But why we picked this particular combination only? So if we understand the logic and the science, what Apan Mudra is doing, what these 2 mudras in the middle are doing, and then what the Prana Mudra is doing, so it will help you balance so many energies of your life that you cannot even imagine. This combination can even help you get rid of your inhaler. Even if you have been on inhaler for years, it can help you. But you need to understand, you need to remember, mudras are not magic. They are not shortcuts. They are practices. Their true power lies in regularity. One day won't transform you, but sincere practice with conscious living, healthy habits, conscious breathing can gradually support your overall well-being. But this combination is magical, and healing is not about techniques, it's about many small right actions repeated consistently. So every breath is a new beginning. Treat it with awareness, treat it with gratitude, and never stop breathing. Focus on your breath, breathe, breathe, and breathe consciously. Subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon, and share this link to whomsoever you feel can get the benefit. Thank you so much.